The following is the biggest elimination chamber match. 4 other competitors enclosed in their respective pods. Every 5 minutes, a pod door will open and must exit the chamber. The last superstar remaining will be the winner.
Who wants to walk with the lion? And again, we are in Vegas. I'm sure you're used to seeing someone you love behind bars. It is there that all things WWE will be mine, because the entire world will know I'm gonna come in and feast on the scraps. Dedicate my song to anybody that lives in sin. And I can't wait to hear it. Hold your applause, and most importantly, shut your mouths. Shut your mouths and listen. Just hit the right pitch, so I'm going to keep this one going. A legend like me. Now beat John Cena.
Suddenly there's a darkness on the edge of town, because here comes the monster among men. Pod that he is right now. The pod will be locked. You know Elias will enter this match last.
Boy, he is going to be chomping at the bit to get out of that.
Next, from West Newbury, Massachusetts, Cena!
Let's get to WrestleMania. For the 7th time in his career, John Cena enters the chamber. He's won a star-studded matchup. It's impossible to pick. You guys tell me, who is going to win this thing?
First of all, happy birthday, Nate.
The big dog is coming to go home.
From Pensacola, Florida, Roman Reigns!
Very confident.
Then they look down and they have a moment and say, okay, this is something more different than anything I've ever done.
Win the championship.
Called it the heist of the century. I'd have to agree with you, but Roman Reigns hungry to reach that.
Have now been put in their pods. The next 3 men will start.
He is the Intercontinental Champion.
Only 2 on the WWE Network.
Look at the Miz.
John Cena a few weeks ago with a very confident Continental Champion, and oh, that's good.
From California, Iowa.
In a gauntlet match, and during that journey, he defeated Roman Reigns and John Cena. Seth Rollins.
Comes to endurance, few can match Finn Balor. That said, this is a completely different set of circumstances than empty. Strategy would still be the same. The goal would be the same, to eliminate somebody as soon as possible, maybe make a temporary alliance. You'd have to say Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins have definitely a healthy level of respect for one another, but in the
You can only win via or eliminate an opponent via pinfall or submission inside the ring.
to come up with a better plan.
And Miz realizes he's in trouble. Oh, next night due to injury. Both those men hope to get back to the Universal opportunity at WrestleMania once again. Finn also hasn't forgotten what Miz did to him. Miz and the Miz Taraj, eliminating him from the
statements. John Cena. John Cena does not see a future, a road to WrestleMania without a victory here tonight. When he's outright flat.
Patriots, they've gotten to a point in their career where it's Super Bowl, it's title or nothing.
Up over the top.
Yep.
Finn said that I didn't come this far to only go this far.
Always one of my favorite moments in the chamber matches.
This is is the pace you expected, Corey, to start this?
Honestly, it's a little slower than I expected.
Cover again by Seth. Kick out. Now Miz from behind. Looking to steal one on Balor. Near fall, 2.5. Rollins from behind. Rolls up Miz. John Cena being called Big Match John. Over the past 5 years, Seth Rollins, the architect.
Rollins measuring Miz. Uh-oh. Rollins looking for the stomp, but
Miz looking for the skull crushing.
And how many main events would...
Look at double blockbuster by Rollins. Cover on Balor. Is it enough? Will Balor be up through the chamber next? Which pod will open? John Cena. Tempers are flaring. Knee. Almost had it. Cena sidestepped. Lance caught Cena Monday night. Cena was ready tonight. Vintage Cena.
Almost haunting the Elimination Chamber.
And a double five-knuckle shuffle.
Body.
Oh! Good night, Balor.
Go after.
Just start swinging. Hit everybody, Seth. Back and forth. Oh, here comes Cena. Balor able to escape.
Looked like Cena was looking for a double.
We're going to use Rollins as a weapon. Mother.
You're not right. And look at... Oh, Miz into the chamber. Equation. Thin out the ring a bit.
Treacherous situation. Miz and Balor in a great...
Oh, my God. Double superplexes. Roman Reigns.
Reigns definitely has the advantage at the moment. The big dog.
Oh! And remember, both of these men understand what that... Oh,
Miz from behind in the Shield. Reigns and Rollins another. Oh, and the DDT playing.
Favors Braun Strowman. Actually, I think that could be the detriment of Strowman because he's like a CNC.
yeah. It's like...
Oh, the world famous it kicks. He's getting all of those.
Down goes Miz again, and the
Pay attention.
Rollins hit hard. Reigns now up the ropes. Down goes Balor. Roman cover. Is it enough to eliminate the first man of the match? And Balor
won.
Well, none of them have been eliminated yet.
Kind of surprised that to this point all
chamber matches ever.
Well, we know who's coming in next.
Samoa drop to Cena. Position. Sit out power bomb.
Also knows who's next.
And Roman realizes the monster
Braun Strowman is made for.
And Rollins whipped into the chamber.
If they're smart, all five. This is all well and good, but at some point, somebody's going to have to...
There's no way. 385 pounds of Strowman is going to go for a rock.
Look at Strowman! Balor caught. Oh, and he used as a weapon against Reigns. Climb, try to get out of harm's way.
Well, here's the problem.
Look at Strowman!
I've got the chamber.
Oh, my Lord, and Miz face first! No! The monster among men, Braun Strowman, wiping out everything in his path.
To the rainbow. It's not about just tonight. It's about what tonight.
And now Roman Reigns, a clubbing.
Seth Rollins just got those.
And I'm watching Rollins over the top rope and outside.
Lands this. Say adios, Miz.
Off the slam. Cover. Miz is eliminated. Opportunity to come into this match last. Now four men back on their feet. Reigns, Cena, Balor, Rollins attacking Strowman.
8 fists raining down.
He eliminates Strowman.
Well, I think Roman Reigns is trying to tell them what he wants.
The seal bomb.
+1.
Strowman planted. Cover by all four men. And he kicked out. Shoulders. And Strowman. Cena's going to eliminate the monster.
Authority.
Rollins with a stop to Strowman. With a coup de grace to the most monster among men, but you got it. He's up. AA to Reigns.
Oh, it's strategy.
Covering Rollins, looking to eliminate Seth Rollins, and a kick out. Covered by Elias. Another near fall.
Elias going to need to continue with this aggression. We've seen it a lot lately. Puts up a prayer. Crushes Rollins. Cover.
And with Reigns back, now he has Elias up on his shoulders.
Uh-oh. Oh! Turn.
Oh, shoulder to the post.
You can't.
What the hell is Elias thinking about?
You
Oh,
can't.
my God.
Yep.
Power slam. Covered by Strowman. Elias. Now Strowman and Reigns.
You can add the big dog to the pile.
Strowman looking for the running power slam on Roman Reigns, but
Oh, man.
John Cena launching himself, caught by the monster among men. Strowman eliminates Cena. Down to fight, and so did Rollins. Strowman face to face. Look at Finn fight back. Look at Balor go.
Balor definitely with a speed advantage, but
Yep. Oh. Running kick caught.
uh-oh.
And he's coming down hard. He's going for the running power slam again. Balor, though.
Now.
Balor. Put him out of the back.
Is that it?
Enough to eliminate Braun Strowman. What a no.
Takes down Rollins. Up goes Seth.
Oh! Right to Roman Reigns. This is wildly. Slick play by. Take out the big dog.
There it is. The extraordinary.
But Braun Strowman.
Eliminated.
Braun Strowman is eliminated. Miz.
Yeah, I think they realize exactly what they have to do.
Now Rollins and Reigns. Always been the mantra of the Shield that. And now the double team again by Rollins and Reigns. Where?
Oh, man.
A little bit slower. Oh!
And Rollins now. Rollins takes down the.
Seth gets Reigns up.
And a buckle bomb.
Well, he is going to need a masseuse when this is all said and done. Over an hour on Monday.
Oh, Samoan drop. Strowman dropped on the outside. Match.
The Strowman. Rollins to eliminate the monster. And a kick out again.
Performance, we're seeing how much that main event at WrestleMania truly means to him.
Reigns. Oh, drop kick. And another one. Strowman down. Went for the stomp. Oh, slam. And Roman Reigns. And it's interesting that it's come down to this time. A trip to WrestleMania. Solve the Strowman puzzle. Roman now. And Roman in power slam position.
Oh.
Roman able to hang up Strowman on the top rope.
Reigns.
Doing everything he can. Flying over the top rope. Drive. Oh, and Strowman through the pod. Superman punch.
He's got the target acquired.
Superman punch again, and Braun is down to one knee.
Uh-oh.
Went for the spear. Spear by Reigns.
Immediately.
Spear again by Reigns.
To talk about how great Braun Strowman was tonight, and he came